Hey, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel, everybody. I'm Rochelle, and look what's here. I'm getting ready to open Bargain Bee Box for, oh, what are we in? April already. April 2024. So I have no idea what's in here. I just ran out to my mailbox to get it, and I'm just winging it here. So let's see. Let's see what it is. Okay. Uh-oh, it looks pink. Let's see what's in here. Blooming Branches Collection. I love that title. And let's see. Just gonna read. Get a little peek here. Uh-oh. Blooming Branches. The trees are showing off for spring, dressed in their best buds and blooms. Inspired by the pinks and purples of red bud blossoms and the tulip populars, yellows and greens, this month's selections include 2 gemstone Tree of Life pendants, genuine gemstone strands in rose quartz, citrine, and more, plus sparkling crystal accents, glass flowers, and a collection of silver finish findings with leaf and tree motifs. Okay, let's just open it up and get into it here. I hope they're numbered. Let me open this up. We got pretty pink. Here it all is. Looks like another box I just went through actually. Okay, I'm not going to go in numerical order. I'm just whatever I pick up. And let's see here. So this is, as we can already tell, rose quartz beads, 8 mil. I think I needed some of these actually. Very pretty. Yeah, rose quartz. It's a pretty long strand. 14 inches. No, it's not. I'm sorry. 15 inches. So leave that there. Here we got number 10. This is pretty. I like these color combinations. So this is a 3x2 mil crystal faceted rondelle beads in grapevine mix. And it's 16 inches we have here. These are pretty. So we got some peach, some green, some bright green, white, purple, or plum. It's really pretty. So we got that going on. Let's see right here if I can get it open. These are cute. How appropriate, little tulips. It looks like. So these are 10 by 11 mil pressed glass flower beads, 10 pieces. And these are really cute. So it looks like we have half kind of clearish, and then the other is a lavender purple with the sides there. Very pretty. These are cute. Okay, here we have citrine. It is 6 mil citrine heated round beads of 15 inches. I needed some citrine. So these are gorgeous. Let's see what this is. Has some 6 mil crystal faceted bicone beads in light rose AB. Let's see what this is. This is a, there we go. Look at that. Get in a little close, oh, a little closer here. This is a 48 by 27 mil brass Tree of Life pendant with faceted amethyst. And that's a beauty. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. Very pretty. Very detailed. Oh, just put that here. Let's see what this is. And I'm not going to open this up. This is a 40-piece 6 mil leaf bead caps. We all know what they look like. Here we have 4 by 3 mil Malaysia jade dyed quartz, faceted amethyst round rondelle beads. Oh. Love this deep color here. These are really pretty. Let's see what else we have. This looks very pretty. This is, look at that sparkle. 6 by 4 mil crystal faceted rondelle beads and peridot green iris. 16 inches. And these are just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. There we go with that. And here is another Tree of Life. 28 mil chandelier focal. It's really pretty. Got some carved etching in there. Let's see what this is. Jeez. Can hardly, oh, I didn't know they were loose. Okay. These are 9 by 5 mil crystal faceted round beads in light rose, AB. 20 pieces, and I just lost one. Actually, though, I have a lot of these. I just sold yesterday. I just sold a bracelet that I made with this, with these, a stretch bracelet. Very pretty again. Let's see. This one is, get that right. Oh, these are sparkly. Look at that. This is a 18 by 14 mil rhinestone tree charms. 2 pieces. It looks like some type of stones in there. Clear stones or something. I don't have my up close glasses to see. Here they are. Let me just take a look. Looks like some kind of rhinestones in there. Okay. There's definitely some kind of clear rhinestone in there. It's hard to see with all the light bouncing off. So those are very pretty. Oh, here's another pretty one. Look out. Let me get this organized first. Wow, so there we go. Look at that. This is another pendant. 31 by 27 mil rose quartz Tree of Life pendant. Very pretty. Got 2 pendants in this month's box. Amethyst and rose quartz. Look at that. Wow. And this is some chain. I'm not going to open that. Hypoallergenic stainless steel. Luma China stain, jewelry chain. Got that. And what are these? Okay, let's open these up. Looks like laser cut. So this is a two-piece 47 mil hypoallergenic stainless steel leaf pendant. And here we go, another one. Two-piece 27 by 23 mil swirl tree pendants. And it's the same on both sides. It looks like here we have some clasp. 36 by 22 mil leaf toggle clasp. There we go with those. And here we have some bumpy rondelles, 5 by 3 mil spacer beads. There you go. I'm not going to open those. Well, maybe I will. They look a little different than what we usually get, maybe. And the last one. Let's see here. This is 8 mil Mountain Jade. Dyed Dolomite. Violet round beads. 16 inches. There you go. So that's everything for April 2024 Bargain Bead Box. I think this might be my favorite piece. And then, of course, the gorgeous pendants. Here we go. Yeah. So anyway, that's everything. Can't wait to see what they make with this one. And also wanted to tell everybody, especially if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Welcome to the channel. And if you could please give it a thumbs up. My gosh, where's my card I just bought out here? Really losing my mind today. So anyway, I just wanted to let you all know that in my Etsy shop, the Beaded Jewel Design.etsy.com, you'll find a lot of leftover Bargain Bead Box extras on there. So that's my second store. My first store is the Beaded Jewel store, Beaded Jewel store at Etsy.com. And then where you'll find the Bead Box Bargains findings is the Beaded Jewel Design at Etsy.com. That's where you'll find everything I haven't used from past boxes, or I know I'm not going to use, or I just don't care for much. Everything is up there listed. So you can go there and see if you can find any extras that you need or whatever. It is selling out quick, I can tell you that. But I think everything up there is from the Bead Box Bargains, Bargain Bead Box that I haven't used. Anything I haven't used, or like I said, or I know I'm not going to need. And that's it. There's also some other kits up there, some jewelry kits to make. Let's see. Where are ya? Never find it when I need it. To make, I also have jewelry kits up there to make this beautiful flat spiral bracelet. And there's some other kits up there also. That's it. And then check out my other store on Etsy also, because I just remembered it takes too long to list one by one piece, you know, or even like a set. So I've decided to, like, what I don't use from the whole monthly box, I'm just gonna put it all up, whatever I don't use, and it'll be on there. So and like a little kit. So that's it. I'll link it also below, so you can just click on the link and it'll take you right there. And I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.